Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to cPanel VPS using SSH. To connect to your cPanel VPS using SSH, begin by opening your terminal application. For Windows users, you may need to download an SSH client like PuTTY. Locate your server's IP address, which you can find in your hosting provider's dashboard. Open your terminal or SSH client and enter the command for establishing a connection. If you're using a terminal, type ssh root at your .server.ip address and press enter. If prompted, confirm that you want to connect, which may include entering yes. Next, enter your root password when prompted. Ensure you type the password carefully, as it won't be visible for security reasons. Once connected, you will see the command prompt change to indicate you are logged into your server. To access WHM from your VPS, open a web browser. In the address bar, type https://your.server.ip address 2087 and hit enter. You will be prompted for a username and password. Enter root as the username and the root password for your VPS. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the WHM interface. From here, you can manage your server settings and cPanel accounts effectively. Explore the various options available in WHM to optimize your VPS management. This ensures your server remains secure after you finish managing your settings. Following these steps will help you efficiently connect to and manage your cPanel VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.